Hi boys and girls, for today's artwork we're going to create a piece of art that's made up of just dots. We're only going to use dots to draw our image today. So that's called pointillism. Pointillism. Pointillism is a drawing or a painting, and in this case it's going to be a drawing made up only of dots. These dots form the image, so the dots are what creates the image. So in this case I use dots just to make a heart. And right here on this card, you can see how I use dots to make a sphere, right there, with the light coming this way and the shadow down here. All right, so what you're going to do is you're going to get to choose an image, a simple shape. So you might want to choose a geometric shape. And if we remember back to when we learned about geometric shapes, or if you're new to geometric shapes have rules. So for example, a circle. This is a circle, it's a geometric shape, and it has no sides. It's just round. A triangle, the rule for a triangle is that it has 3 sides. 1, 2, 3 sides, that's the rule. The rule for a square is that it has 4 sides, and so on with all the rest of these geometric shapes. So you could choose a geometric shape to make your piece of pointillism art, or you could make up your own shape. And that would be called an organic shape. And organic shapes don't have any rules. There's no rules at all. So in this case, my organic shape looks a little like a leaf. This one looks kind of like a paint splatter. This one looks like an arrow or maybe a flower. So if you choose an organic shape, you can make it look however you would like. So you're going to get to choose what kind of shape you would like to draw. And I'm just going to start out by using this notebook just to get some ideas down. So maybe I might want to draw, maybe I'd like to draw my shape a heart. Just like I did in this one. Or maybe I would rather draw, a flower. You want it to be a simple shape. So it's not going to have a lot of details. It's going to be more or less the outline, the outer edge. Maybe I would want my shape to be an egg shape or kind of an oval shape. So I'm just kind of putting down some ideas on this paper. Maybe I would like my shape to look like a rainbow shape. So these are just a few ideas. Once I've picked my idea, once I've decided what my idea is going to be, I'm going to take, these are the supplies I'm going to need. I'm going to need a paper and a pencil, an eraser, and then something to add color. In this case, I'm going to use these markers, but you could really use anything you have. You could use crayons or colored pencils. That would be fine. Some colored pencils like this, or if you have crayons, that would work. You could use skinny markers. If you have skinny markers, that would work. Whatever you have to add color is fine, that you can use. The next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to draw my simple shape onto my paper, and in this case I think I'm going to go with this idea right here, which is I'm going to turn it into a rainbow shape. So I'm going to draw that onto my paper with my pencil. Just like that. Once I've got my shape, I'm going to choose my colors, the colors I want to add. So I think I'm going to go with the rainbow colors. So I'm going to go yellow and orange, and I think I'll use this red. I think I'll use this color instead of red, and then a green, and then a blue, and then maybe this kind of a purpley pink color. And the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to start making my dots. So I'm going to take my first color, and I'm going to make a row of dots all along the edge of my rainbow shape. I'm going to end up erasing my original pencil drawing. So I'm just kind of following along with it, but then at the end I'm going to erase it. All right, so there's my yellow. And now I'm going to continue with the next color. And then I'm going to keep adding my colors until my whole shape is full. And there I have my beautiful rainbow drawn all with just dots, only dots. My beautiful shape using pointillism. The idea of pointillism, just dots, only dots. So when you look at it close up, you can see all the little dots. And then when you look at it a little further away, you can definitely see the form or the shape of my rainbow. So that's it. I can't wait to see what you come up with. I'm really excited to see what shapes and what colors you choose. If you are a remote learner, please make sure that you take a photo of your piece of artwork and put it into the assignment in the Google Classroom. Don't forget to click on Turn In so I can see all of your hard work. Thanks so much, boys and girls.